Yo, little splash buddy. I'm Zak the Shark, the smoothest swimmer in the sea. Check out my moves. I glide, I spin, I zoom past coral reefs like a rocket. Whoosh! And yeah, these shades, they're not just for style. They help me spot sparklefish in the deep blue. People think sharks are scary, but not me. I'm all about high fins, jellyfish dams, and making ocean friends. I live in a reef with neon sea anemones, glowing caves, and a sunken ship that's my secret hideout. Shh, don't tell the crabs. In the morning, I race dolphins. In the afternoon, I jam with the band. I play shell drums while the octopus drops the beat. When I smile, and I always smile, you can see my shiny teeth, but don't worry. I only chomp seaweed snacks and salty sea tacos. At night, the ocean gets quiet. I float under the moonlight and look up at the stars. Even cool sharks like me need a little calm. So if you hear bubbles and beats deep in the sea, that's probably me, Zak the Shark, sliding by with style and a splash of awesome. With waves and winks, Zak. Bye-bye.